We were sent the Prosfalt three-piece thinker statue set. I'm very excited about these. These just had a unique appearance to them. Right off the bat, this box is very well packaged. These things are very secure inside this foam here. I don't think there was any room to rattle around during shipping, which is perfect because you don't want to really receive something that has any chips or cracks in it. These things right off the bat are so modern, very cool, unique. I love the uniqueness of them. They have that clean, modern, silence is gold vibe, but without feeling overly dramatic or flashy. The matte black finish gives them a really sleek look that blends in with pretty much any room style. Each statue has its own personality. No hear, no see, no speak. And the poses are detailed enough to feel artistic but still minimalistic. They are made of resin, but they don't look cheap at all. They have a very nice weight to them and feel sturdy when you pick them up. I moved them around a few times trying to figure out where I would like them best, on a bookshelf next to some plants, on my office desk, and honestly, they looked good everywhere I put them. They're the kind of decorative pieces that instantly make a shelf or tabletop look more put together. What I really like is that they don't take up much space, but they still make a very bold statement. They add just enough interest without overwhelming the rest of the decor. If you like modern, abstract, or minimalist styles, these fit right in. Overall, they're very well made. They're well made, unique, and surprisingly versatile. Whether it's for an office, living room, or a small studio space, they add that quiet, artistic touch that makes the room feel a little bit more thoughtful.